Hey everybody, there's a rainstorm out. I'm down here at my campsite. It's thundering and lightning pretty good. Just starting to rain. I'm getting ready to build me a little fire. Just wanted you to look around. Check this out. Like I said, I'm down at my camp. It's late in the evening. Probably hear the thunder or rain. I got my shelter out the front, like a lean-to. You can see it up there. I'm inside my campsite. I'm gonna start me a fire and fix me a little dinner. It's Saturday night, and I'll show you around. I am down here by myself. I did pick up another saw yesterday. Got a deal for real on it, the bottom one. A 2-man buck saw. That's actually a rip saw. Got the turtle teeth on it. Real good saw to have. 40 bucks. Looked it up online. 400. Hell of a good deal. As you see, it's raining. It's thundering. Camping in the rain, gotta love it. This is inside my shelter. I'm gonna walk out in the rain just to show it to you. And the rain is coming down. Good Lord bless us with some rain. I'm gonna smile and accept it. I just wanted to share my campsite with you on a rainy evening. This is what's going on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you a side view of this shelter thing I built on the front. What do you think of that? If you can see it. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. I get to sit back and watch it rain. Build me a nice little fire and fix me a bite to eat. case you're wondering what kind of wood I use, that's bark from a birch tree. Fires right up, straight kindling, get me some coals going. Throw me a little bit of extra wood on there and I got dinner on the way. Appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Set my DD hammock up there later. Won't be long anyway. Hoping to get some thunder.